Oh, welcome to a weekly vlog. It's Saturday and we are headed to our cooking class. We're really excited. Our anniversary is on Monday, our 1-year anniversary, so we're celebrating it all weekend. The cooking class is called Passport to Thailand, so we're gonna be making Thai cuisine. He went to the gym and I was filming some content, but I'm ready to chow down. And we've never been to a cooking class before, so I'm extra excited about this. Making new memories. And I want to do that TikTok trend. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's really cute where couples buy a mini cake and for their anniversary they buy the #1 candle and they blow it out. It's just so cute. Like instead of a birthday, you celebrate your anniversary with a candle. So I want to do that sometime before Monday or either on Monday. And I think that will be really cute. I want to make that a tradition. I think that will be so romantic and sweet. This is where our cooking class is. It's called Sur La Table. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're running late, so we gotta go. They have nice glasses. I've seen these ones on Amazon. I like these. $8. Not bad, not bad. We went next door and got a trophy husband. It's delicious. My favorite is the curry so far. It's so good. And we have some lettuce wraps. Coconut lime sorbet. We're back home now. The cooking class was a lot of fun. I definitely want to try another one at some point. They grouped the class into 4, so we were paired with another couple that was celebrating their anniversary too. And now we're just chilling out, but oh, Jolie sent me their filtered shower head. I've never used one of these before and I've always wanted to try one out, so I'm gonna install this today. And it's supposed to be really good for your skin, hair, and well-being. So I'm so excited to try it. And today's Earth Day, so it's like perfect timing. Mini Amazon haul, I ordered these tiny scoopers for our smoothie bar because we didn't really have anything to scoop our stuff. We were just using our small measuring spoons for these. So I think these are so freaking cute. I need to fill this up, but I'm gonna wait until this runs out before I do, so. And I need to clean it. And then I picked up some blue spirulina. I've always wanted to try this. I used to take the green spirulina regularly, but I haven't taken it in so long, and I have been seeing the blue spirulina all over TikTok. People use it for smoothies or in their breakfasts, and it's just aesthetically pleasing, and it's also really good for you. So finally ordered some. We made 3 dishes for the cooking class. We made perfect pad thai, minced chicken lettuce wraps, and the coconut curry. The coconut curry was our favorite. It's just something about curry just hits every time. And then we had coconut lime sorbet for dessert. We didn't make it, the chef made it for us, but it was really good. There was a rule every time you touched your phone, you had to wash your hands. So I was trying to like film everything, but after I was touching my phone, I had to wash my hands. So it was a little hard for me to film everything because I wanted to be included while also filming, but I still made it happen. It's Monday, April 24th, which means it's our anniversary. My husband's still working. I just got to Walmart because I need to pick up a candle, and I think I'm gonna end up getting a mini cake from Wegmans, so I'm gonna go there after to pick that up, or I might just get it here, I'm not sure. I did my self-care Sunday yesterday, and that requires a lot of effort, so I didn't vlog at all. But my husband and I have been talking about how much we noticed we're on our phone, and we want to make a conscious effort to be more present with each other. So we normally go on daily walks, and today we both left our phones behind to be unplugged, and we just need to do that more often because it's pretty unhealthy how much we're on our phones. So that was nice, and I'm just waiting for him to get off work. We're gonna make pizza later today. I found the candles, but they're all out of the ones. I didn't end up getting anything from Walmart, but I just got to Wegmans, so fingers crossed they have the #1 candle, and if they do, then I'll most likely get a cake here, and if not, I'll try my luck with Trader Joe's.
Skip 52.
My bestie sent us these custom Oreos for our anniversary. Look how cute that is. It says happy first anniversary on it, and it's a picture of us. My husband wants one right now. Well, it came with 4, so we each get 2. Look how cute. Thanks, bestie. She's so thoughtful. Chris and I both love Oreos. Cheers, baby. Happy anniversary. Mwah.
Sitting downstairs for 5 days.
Mmm. Delicate. This is such a cute gift. My bestie is so thoughtful. She always gives the best gifts. I didn't even know Oreo did that. Is this how you would do it? Please don't drop it. Oh shit, I almost lost it. Oh. Stuff that crust, boy.
Stuff
Nice and good, pie. My Nespresso order came in the mail. I ordered 2 sleeves of regular cups of coffee and then 2 sleeves of double espressos. It's Wednesday, April 26th, and apparently it's National Pretzel Day. Talenti let me know on Instagram. I saw it on their story, so I was like, I needed any excuse to pick up another flavor because the last time I tried their gelato was when I did the fruit roll-up trend. It was the mango sorbet flavor, and it was really good, so I wanted to try some more flavors, and I got strawberry shortcake too. I bought this power scrubber off of Amazon too because our shower needs a deep cleaning. I'm gonna do that tonight after dessert. My husband got us the Adventure Challenge book for our anniversary. I've seen this all over TikTok and I'm really excited to try it out. So it has a bunch of different categories for dates. Each date is a surprise, but it gives you a little clue as to what it's about. And it also tells you how much money you can expect to spend and how long the date is gonna be. It wants you to take a picture and put it in the book too, right next to the dates. It's really cute. There's 50 dates in here. So we wanna do this once a week, we were saying.
It's important, even when you're married, to stay dating. That's the secret. That's the secret to a happy relationship, right, baby?
That's right, baby.
Stay dating.
Oh my God, I love you. I didn't yell at him or anything. The $10 dates. It says cheap ass. And you broke. So this section is perfect for us because we're trying to save money. I wonder if we'll scratch one of these ones off first. So these are the rules. It says disconnect to reconnect. The purpose here is to unplug from everyday life, connect and have fun, put those cell phones on airplane mode. See, this is exactly what I was talking about. We're just always on our phones. So this book is perfect for us. Number 2, no take backs. If we scratch off a date, you have to do it. If you don't feel like it, too bad, do it anyway. Discover something new about yourself. 3, document the journey. Take a picture and write about each date in your journal. This book is here to help you create and collect lasting memories. Show it off. Upload the photo of your adventure to social media and tag the Adventure Challenge. You know I will. This one was an example that we scratched off and it says peekaboo. It's Saturday. We're on our way to the gym. It's raining. It's really loud right now. And I did Sophia Richie's hairstyle that she wore to her rehearsal dinner. And it's really cute. It's trending all over social media right now, so I wanted to try it and I filmed it, so I'm gonna post that on my Instagram tomorrow. I wanted to get a picture for the gram today, but because it's raining, I don't know if that's gonna happen. I'm wearing my new jumper that I just bought off of Amazon. It's really comfortable. My legs are really sore from doing squats the other day. We're gonna do this one.
If it's a casino, we gotta go.
We are not going to a casino. This one says roll the dice. Looks like it involves a snack. Gotta go somewhere, a babysitter. We don't have kids, so we don't need a babysitter. And then something outdoors. First one. What is it? Oh, dang.
It's a damn
The
paragraph.
whole story, yeah. What the heck?
Holy Moses. Start with a single dice. Assign a picnic food/drink to each number on the dice. Roll the dice 3 times to decide which 3 foods/drinks to bring on the date. Ooh. Now use the dice to decide where to drive for your date. Roll a 1-2 for right turns, 3 to 4 for left turns, and 5 to 6 for stay straight.
What?
What the hell? Use the system through at least 6 intersections to find a fun random location to have your picnic. Damn.
So this is our list. We have fruit salad, poppy, meat and cheese tray, popcorn, kombucha, and subs. 6. Oh shit, subs. Okay.
Sandwich.
Got subs right away.
Damn, just 8.
You just had a sandwich. 5. Kombucha. Okay. I've been craving a kombucha.
We can get everything at
Okay,
Harris
okay,
Teeter
okay.
so far.
I know. 4.
Popcorn!
Popcorn! Yay! Alright, we got the sub.
I gotta pick this up.
Now we're getting some popcorn. Alright, my favorite popcorn, especially when I have a sweet tooth, is this caramel cheddar mix. It smacks.
Oh,
So
yeah,
good.
The salt and sweet.
Yeah. Now we gotta get the kombucha. I'm craving a watermelon kombucha. This one's my favorite. We secured the bag. Now we just have to roll the dice to figure out where we're gonna end up eating. But I'm gonna end the vlog here because I don't want it to be too long. So make sure you stay tuned for next week's vlog to find out where we end up. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and I'll see you next week.